Hello, my name is Terry Dean Nemmers, and today is August 13th, 2013. So welcome to another edition of Lion News. Lion News can be found at lionnews.blogspot.com. And what are we going to talk about today? Well, we're going to give you an update on the case of John Lom. Now, if you've been watching the videos, you know something about what happened back in January the 12th, 2013. Lawless Itasca County thug deputies broke into John Lom's shop. He was minding his own business, and he sees his alarm go off outside. So he straps on his shoulder holster, has his pistol in it. The only detail is there's no clip in the gun, and the slide is locked back. So, people who actually, trained observers would notice that the clip is missing and the slide is locked back. Well, anyhow, these guys come blazing in, and they end up sticking guns in John Lom's face, even though he's showing them that his gun is disabled. There's no clip in it. There's no ammo in it. The slide's back. And, he shows it to them so they can see there's no clip in there. But they claim later on that, well, they couldn't see that. The trained observers missed that detail. So then they proceeded to arrest him, and then at the end of the arrest, they decided they needed a tip, didn't they? And the tip was the size of $6,500, which turned up missing, right? Because there was no record of it, in their police reports. No property report, filing of it or anything. So anyhow, John Lom ended up filing criminal charges against those two thug deputies. And so that brings us pretty much up to today. So anyhow, John Lom had a hearing today at 8:30 a.m. And at 12:38 p.m. he sent me this email. Now this is the email. I'll read it to you. Terry, interesting day in court. Judge started out by saying she saw videos of herself on the internet. Boy, how many cases do you have where the judge says that she's watching videos about her and implying that you have something to do with it? Did she watch them at Arrest a Judge Kit? And did she read about herself at a blog called Lion News? Could be. George and I told her we didn't do it, laughing out loud. George is George Duransky III, his attorney. She was okay with that. They are watching, though. Yeah, no kidding. You go to my blog, you can see how much they've been watching. After it was over, George said, "Good job." First-time prosecuting attorney looked worried to me. They are still arguing over the dash cam video. Oh yeah, forgot to mention that. These trained observers claim that the dash cam video wasn't working, didn't they? Yeah. And mysteriously, even though these dash cam videos weren't working, they failed to remember to turn on their personal audio recorders, didn't they? Okay. They are still arguing over the dash cam video, and the judge will let those arguments in at trial. We stated that the missing money should also be let in at trial as it proves the cop's integrity, even though it was after the arrest. She will let us know on that. Yeah, she's going to let you know that there's no way possible that evidence that you filed criminal charges are going to get in that court case. Because remember, the fix is in, right? We got in their facts about them lawyering up, etc. Because those two trained observers who failed to follow proper procedures in various aspects and broke into John Lom's home afterwards decided they'd lawyer up after John Lom filed criminal charges against him. There was a bit more, but that's the gist of it. George is still confident. Signed, John. So, there's the update for today. Probably the best part, I couldn't stop laughing, or the fact that the judge admits that she watches my videos and reads my blog. So, this one's for you, Lois. More updates to come. Bye.